the guys at ComfortX sent me this sawtooth picture hangers. It comes in a really nice kit. You see that? Everything you need to hang your pictures. Okay? Everything is in there. Check that out. Now, I'm going to show you how we use these. Say that you have a loved one that likes paintings, right? And you want to hang these paintings, but of course these frames, they don't come with anything in the back. So that's where these nice hangers come into play. Let me show you. They have all the screws that you need, and it comes in 2 sizes. So in this case, actually it comes in 3 sizes. So they have this kind. Let me see if you can. This kind. It comes. These are bigger. This kind. And these are even bigger. There you go. Right? Actually, they're the same size. They just have a lot of them. Yeah, they're the same. Okay, so they come in 2 sizes, and they have those big ones come with this screw, and the smaller ones come with this screw that is much smaller. Now, I recommend that you get one of these screwdrivers that will take very, very small screws, right? Philip. And the way you do it is, you find the orientation, right? Let's say that you want to hang this, you want to hang it like this, right? So then you come, and then the teeth, these teeth have to point downwards, and they have to go against I'm gonna install this real quick so that you gotta press real hard into this, because this is very soft wood, and the screws, you might even, if you want to make this faster, take a little hammer and do a couple of taps right on the little screw so it goes into the wood, right? And then that way when it takes, and then when you turn the screw, if it's already into the wood, it will go faster. But I think this worked really nice already. Okay, you maybe want to do it flush so that it goes all the way down, right? There you go. There you go, but I just want you to see, right? There you go. So that, you put a nail on the wall, and you can hang that really nice, right? And that's the way it works. In this case, what's perfect about this set is that it comes with those 2 sizes, the small, like the one that I installed, and you see, so you can compare the 2 sizes that they come in, right? And with the corresponding screws. I'm gonna keep on screwing this so that I can hang these really beautiful paintings on my wall. And if you have artists or friends that are artists, or kids, because sometimes your kids give you this kind of art, then it's really nice to have one of these sawtooth picture hangers. A box around. The bigger size takes up to 50 pounds, so if you hanging something really heavy, then the bigger one that I showed you, right? It carries up to 50 pounds. And this one, the small one that I use right here, that's up to 15 pounds. So, thank you for the guys at ComfortX for sending this to get reviewed. I'm gonna get to work.